Well, back with another video. I thought I'd try out my new phone with a new camera and stuff. So I thought I'd do a quick video about my truck. It has done tripped over to 307,000 miles. And so far I've put 115,000 miles on it myself. It's a 97 Ram, 1500 with a 5.9 or 360 V8 automatic, original engine and transmission, and it's almost 12 years I've owned it. I haven't changed the engine, transmission, or anything. But the only thing I've done is like fuel pump, water pump, alternator, after so many miles, and stuff like that. Which it does have some rust on it. It's got some rust, got some dents here and there. But overall, the truck is not that bad. And it can be fixed body wise, But the engine and transmission is still so far doing pretty good. Yeah, it needs to be cleaned up. This old truck, it's got 307,185 miles so far. And no check engine light on so far, knock on wood. And it runs pretty good for the mileage, and plus last month it turned 29 years old. I don't know how good this mic is going to pick up my voice, so I'm just going to try this video and see. And later on, when I feel like it, I'm going to do a driving video with the truck. Right here is the reason why the transmission has lasted so long. I got external trans coolers on it. Right here I made my own ram air. I put the where the intake is going like this. But as you can see, the engine runs pretty good. I had to buy a new power steering cap because I stupidly left the original one up here, and no telling where it's at now. No blow by. And it doesn't, no suction. It's got a lot of miles. It's pretty old. It's beat up. It's got a little bit of rust. Like right down here, I'll have to fix rocker panels and the cab corners. But the bed's not rusted. It's beat up pretty good. One of these days, I like to fix it up. But right now, it gets me to where I need to go. And as long as the engine and transmission stays good in the rear end, which I keep all the fluids changed regularly on top of everything else. And I just thought I'd do a quick video, test out this new camera on this new phone. I don't know how good the Mike is going to be. But yeah, this is some old runabout. All right, I'll catch you in the next video.